Hey guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can enable the suggest contact to others on TikTok so you can grow your TikTok account. So if you want to get more followers, you can use this feature. And first, you can just open the TikTok apps and then go to your profile. So click on the profile at the bottom right corner, then go to the three lines icon at the top. Tap on the settings and privacy, and here go to the privacy settings, and in here you can see there is this feature suggest your account to others. So just click on this. So there are three options. You can suggest your TikTok account to your contacts on your phone, but you'll need to add a phone number, or you can also add suggest your account into your Facebook friend, and you also need to connect to a Facebook account. And lastly, you can suggest to the people who open or send links to you. So this includes link to content on TikTok that were shared outside of TikToks. So you can just turn it on like this, and that's it. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.